Good morning, everyone. So it's a first webinar. So today I will discussing about the introduction to Revit and some basic information regarding the Revit. Due to some issue, I am unable to live, so I will prime on YouTube. So I'm already open the Revit Autodesk Revit 2020. Yeah, I'm using Autodesk 2020. It's the latest version, and you can use 2021 also. It will render automatically. So it's our it's a recent files panel, and it's a family, and it's a model, and it's a family. If you are create a family, you can go through a new like this, and if you want to create some models, you can go through new. And here it's a template. One, two, three, four templates is there. So for architecture, I will go with the architecture template. Enter. It will loading. Yeah. Yes, it's loaded now. It's our panel. It's a ribbon bar, and it's a project browser. It's a project browser, and it's a properties browser. You can see all the properties here, and it's a project browser. You can set the height of the building and all here. So before starting that, I will today I will just brief introduction about the Revit architecture. It's a project browser. It's a level one. Go to east, any type of north south elevation, and before doing that, you have to set the unit. Enter, and select here. I'll go with meter and rounding up to 0.2 decimal is enough, and unit symbol is meter. Press OK, enter, and OK. Shortcut is um. If you type U and enter, it's also fine. So it is height of the building. So I will change the height 3 meter. It will change automatically. Now it's a height. Again, I want to create a one more height is like first I want to create a first floor means it's a first floor height, and you want to create the top of the slab means you have to select the levels here. This option in Revit architecture, datum levels. Click here, and it's a one more uh, modify panel is open. So here you can see make plane view. Will type offset. You have to select line or pick a line. If you select the line, you can draw like this. You can select 3 meter approx. 3 meter you can draw. You can see it's automatically come 6 meter. 0 3 3 to 3 total 6 meter. And again you have to select the line. If you go with pick line means you have to pick the line. First you have to select the offset. I will give the offset as a 3 meter. Now I have to select the lines. Okay, it's a creating the levels. Now I'll go with level 1. It's a drawing area. You can draw here. It's a wall, doors, windows, components. In components, place a component and model in place. I will inform you. And it's a column details: roof, ceiling, floor, curtain system, curtain grid, mullin, railings, ramp, stair, model a text, 3D text, model line, model a group, room separator, room tag rooms. And here it's a color scheme and all. Area by space for giving the opening. You can see. I will just click the mouse, and it will show you how to uh, show the bypass. As it's a grid, so you have to create a grid for final submission. Like If you attending my AutoCAD webinar, I'm already explained about the grid and how to create a grid and all. You can create horizontal and vertical grid also for reference purpose. Like escape, you can go back. It's a set. Set means if you model anything, you have to first select the pen. I will explain it after. It is a structure panel. We are not using any structure here. It is steel panel. This system for MEP works. It's an insert. It also important. You can link the files through AutoCAD to Revit and all. IFC means that also same. You can for example, if you are creating any plan in Tekla structure and import into Revit Architecture, you have to link IFC. It will change automatically. Like if you change something from Revit Architecture here, it will change in Tekla structure also like this. And link AutoCAD, and it's a decade. It also useful. You can see how it's useful. Place the image on the surface of the building for rendering. You have to place the image. Point cloud also important, and importing the CAD, insert PDF, insert a image, load a family, etc. Annotate. Annotate is like a tool, drawing toolbars and anything like AutoCAD tools, detailing line, 2D lines. It's a 2D line. You can see how the 2D line. If you click any drawing, like if I click the detail line, the modify command will be open. I have to click the rectangular, circle, polygon, etc. You can use it through that one. So revision cloud means like AutoCAD also an option is there called revision cloud. If you want to change something from here, you have to create like this, except for revision only. So it's a text, it's a 2D text. First I will inform, then onwards I will show you. It's a tag category. Sorry, it also I will inform. Then it's not required. Matching site also I will inform, and collaborate not required. Here it's a interface interreference check. You have to check the drawings like using Navisworks. You can check here also using interference check, and it's a view from 3D rendering. I can use the view also. So before doing this, I will create one small plan, not like this, small drawing. So here it's a three options. So I will select the architecture, wall architecture. Here in properties, you can see number of the options here. Exterior block, 300 concrete, generic wall, 250 say curtain wall. I will explain in curtain wall also. So before that, I will go with generic wall. I will select the generic and create some drawings just for reference purpose. So before doing this, I will align using the rectangular command. I'm giving dimension here for checking purpose 5 meter. So just give it as 4 meter. If you select and change the dimension, it will change automatically. 8 meter not required, 4 meter just reference purpose. I'm creating a drawing 4 meter, it also 4 meter. So I will delete this one, not required. I will delete the atom line also. Again I will create the wall, and I'm already select the basic wall. So here it's an option in properties, you have to go with edit type. Here it's a number of the options. You will give the identity, data, image and all. Before doing it, you have to go to structure. Before creating something, changing, you want to duplicate the families. Duplicate, I'm already duplicated, and go with edit type. Here thickness of the wall is 0.2, I'm changing into 0.23. Enter. Okay, enter, and okay, it's changed it into 0.23. Here you can see it's a modified place wall. They're asking about the height or depth. I need height, I will select the height. And unconnected, here it's a level. If you go with unconnected, default is 8 meter. So I don't want unconnected, I'll go with up to level 2. Level 2 is fine. And here it's the option called wall centerline, core centerline, finish face exterior, finish face interior. I will go with wall centerlines. Okay, so you select the wall center. Here you can see the wall will be drawn in wall center line. And if you go with core center line, and it's a finish face exterior. Sorry. So I will select the wall. If you go with finish face interior, you can select the interiors. You can see. So here is one more option called, if you want, here you can see the wall is creating this side. So below like hard, and you want to select up and down. If you want to up and down, you have to select the shift. To enter the shift, it will go upside. If you enter shift, it will go downside. Like, can you observe? So it's a wall. So I will delete here, and one more time I will explain. It's a wall. I have changed here. Here it's a one more option called chain and radius. I will go with the walls, entering here around 5 meter. And if I uncheck the chain, you can see again I will go with around 4 meters. Here you can see the wall is ended. If you check the chain, you can draw here 5 meter. Now you can see it's a chain, it's link with the walls. So this also fine. And one more option is called radius. So I give the already 1 meter radius is default, so I'll go with the same radius 5 meter. You can see how it's changing. So you can see the radius will be changed. Again we'll take it's a reference plan. Okay, here in wall we go with architecture and go with properties. Here curtain wall, exterior glazing, and show front. And I'll go with curtain wall, it's also same. Curtain wall means I'll show you. Before using the curtain wall, you have to go to edit type, and you have to go here in construction, automatically abandoned. Check here, apply. Okay, I'll show you. For using the curtain wall, the basic wall should be created. If you create the curtain wall from here to here, the curtain wall has been created. See, it's a glass wall. Okay, so it's a door. In properties, you can select the door, thickness of the door, height of the door, trim object, trim, anything you have to select. You can give the cost also here. Okay, I will give the door from here. And okay, fine. If you don't want this type of door, you have to load the families. You can see here it's one option called load family. Load, go with doors, and here number of the doors here you can load. Okay, it's a basic. So it's a window, you have to select the window. You can see it's a small window. so I don't want this. So again I will load the families. I will go to US matrix. Here you can see it's a three option is called US matrix, US imperial and generic. So I will go to US matrix because I'm using metric unit. So here, where is my window, and here you can see the number of windows are there. Which one I select? I select this one, open. Just wait, it's loading. Yeah, it's loaded. Now you can see I'm placing the window is placed. You can see if you click here, the properties will be open. uh, you can see in edit type, you can see the height, width, the height, cell height, everything you can see. Fire rating, URL. If you give the URL for purchasing, you can directly purchase from URL, and cost also you can see. So it's a window, and component is nothing but place a component and model in place. I will explain you model in place in different plans. Place a component means if you place any component like desk, can load the family using window, everything, and to go with place a component. And then it's a column also I will explain. Then it's a roof, ceiling, floors. So I will add a floors here. First I will go with floors. Okay, so it's a 400 mm thickness of the floor. You have to change also, and I don't want means you can change here. Edit type, structure, let's see, change. So for reference I will go with 0.2 floor thickness, apply. Okay, so here modify bar will be open. Here it's a number of option. You can draw roofs also, you can rectangular roof, circular also. Then here is a one more option is called pick walls. If you pick the walls, the wall will be selected. If you pick the alignment, the line will be selected. Pick walls, select the pick wall and pick the walls. Here you can see the wall selected. Okay, let's see, the floor is created. Now I will show you. Here it's option quick access bar and go to 3D. Here it's our plan. It's a small plan, so you can see here it's an option in below. If you go shaded, it will be black, and if you go with realistic, it will show the colors. We are not providing any color here, so it will be the default is black, and it's a curtain wall. So it's a glass. I'll explain. Then it's a ceiling. You have to create a ceiling also, and it's a roof. I have to select the ceiling and go with automatic and sketch ceiling. I will go with automatic ceiling. The entire ceiling will be created. Here is a ceiling plan. Go here and you can see the ceiling plan. Sorry guys, uh, the ceiling is created now. You can see I have to go to 3D. You can observe the ceiling. Can you observe the ceiling here? Yes, fine. Realistic. So the ceiling is created. Now go to level 1. So I will close ceiling plan. Go with roofs. Level 2. The roofs will be created level 2 only. Roofs. And so thickness of the roof. You can change here also. Edit type. Structure. 0.15. Okay. Apply. Before changing that, you have to duplicate. Okay, I'm just doing for reference purpose. You can duplicate the families. Before doing anything, you have to duplicate the families. It's a important. Here it's a define slope. If you uncheck the flat roof will be created. Again, I will check the lines here. I will select the outlines from here, 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 here. So again, I will draw the lines from here to here. So again, escape, delete the lines. You can see the roof will be created. It's just I'm showing just for reference purpose, and it's an introduction class. And again, I will go with 3D, select new line. Here, if you select here and go with front elevation, you have to give the edges for glass. You can see I'm just give the edges, and curtain grid means nothing but I have to create a grid. I've just created the grid, and median means thickness. You have to give the thickness. So I will delete this one also. Then again, curtain grid. Here you can see the all segment. Select this one. So I will delete this one, and you can see now like a glass panel. I have created as a glass panel. You can see. So if I delete here, you can delete also. You can move also. You click the curtain grid, you have to move from here. You can see. So it's a railing staircase. If I go with the staircase, go to level 1, select the staircase. Here it's a number of the option. You can draw also. I will make one webinar for creating the staircase. So just it's a default component. If you want to use it, then just select and paste it here. It's a staircase. You can see in 3D. It will comes automatically in 3D. So I don't want this type of staircase. You have to select the staircase, go with properties, and select here and change into monolithical staircase. Apply. See, see the actual staircase. So ramp also and railing also, you can give the railings. So if I want railings from level 2, I'm going to floor plans. I want railings from here. Here it's some showing something like, so you can see that where is my 3D. Okay, railings, and I will go with this type of railings. One second, I will check is it creating or not. Yeah, now you can see the railings in round shape. It's a model group, model line, it's a text. You want text like that, the text. Where is my text? So the text created here, pick text, setup a line. Sorry, go to text, model text, and enter anything you want. And here it says set a plane. You want to set the plane. Set a plane. I'm already selected here. Okay, and I can go to model text, enter, and select here. Here you can see the entire text comes here. And it is a detail line. You can create a line like this. Model a line. Sorry, it's a model line. It's a room separator, tag rooms, and all. And it's a grid. I'm already explained. So today is enough, guys. I'll explain you in tomorrow some basic information regarding Revit architecture. So hope you enjoyed the webinar. I am unable to come to live. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. So please support. Thank you very much. It's an entire 3D plan. You can see. Just for reference, I have created also. And here is one more option called green color flash. I'll explain you also. Thank you very much.